Hey guys, Shadowland here, and today I am going to be solving a Rubik's Cube as fast as I can. So, just going to try and set a personal record, not a world record or anything, just going as fast as I possibly can. Now, pretty messed up, right? And I am going to start at exactly 20 seconds, so I know how fast, I'm going to start at exactly 30 seconds in to know exactly how fast I solved the Rubik's Cube in. Okay. That. Okay. Let me see. Oh no. Okay, now. Okay. There. Okay, now, two. Hello? 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 Anybody hear me? Anybody hear me? Anybody hear me? Anybody hear me? I've been running for a long time. My powers only grow each day. I don't know what they did to me. It was an experiment. It made me. And now I escaped. They did bad things. Experimented with things they couldn't possibly understand. Who's there? Go yourself. Hello? Okay, okay, that's in place. Oh, these aren't. Okay, oh yeah, no, I forgot a step. Okay, here we go. Now, hopefully it's all in the same spot. Yeah, it's all in the same spot anyway. Now, okay, next. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. Boom, done. Whew, that is one solved Rubik's Cube. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. And I guess I will see you in the next one. Please comment down below about how fast I actually was. Please subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you in the next one.